30, dry for Tuesday up to 43. For AccuWeather, I'm John Feerick, 100.1 FM and AM 1020, KDKA.
Good evening.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Good evening and welcome to Amplify.
There we go, guys. EAS 1000. Let's freaking go. Officially hit 1,000 EAS recordings. Let's freaking go.